Super easy summer salad coming right up on Weekend at the Cottage. Welcome to Weekend at the Cottage. I'm Nick Manojlovic. Today I'm going to share a very easy grilled shrimp salad. You're going to be able to make this in under 30 minutes. Flavors are fantastic, presentation is beautiful, and I think you're going to enjoy. Let's begin by making our marinade / dressing into a medium bowl. A 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of a toasted sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon seasoned rice wine vinegar. Next, we're gonna take 2 limes, cut them in half. We're gonna add that lime juice. Look at how juicy these limes are, perfect. Little bit of heat with a pinch of chili flakes, little bit of sweetness, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. And then before starting the marinade, I took a bird's eye pepper, cut it down the middle, took away the seeds. I have a knob of ginger and I have 2 cloves of garlic. The ginger and the garlic I ran across a microplane. Now final ingredients then are the bird's eye pepper, the garlic, and the ginger into the bowl. Take a whisk. Whisk your dressing together, but keep it close at hand. You're gonna need it for our next 2 ingredients. I have 1 pound of 1620 shrimp, approximately 16 to 20 shrimp in this pound. I have peeled and deveined them. I'm adding a few tablespoons of our marinade dressing, tossed by hand. I also have 3 ears of corn, pastry brush. Brush the ears of corn with the marinade. Now corn and shrimp head to grill. I love that 500-degree temperature. Our corn goes on. I'm gonna turn it every few moments, looking for that beautiful roasted appearance. When the corn is done, take it to the side, and now we add our shrimp. Grilling shrimp is really easy. We simply place them onto the grill, bring the lid down, come back in about 1.5 minutes, and you'll see the shrimp, as soon as you flip them, nice grill marks. Color is changing, they're starting to go pink, and they're also starting to constrict. We're gonna cook the shrimp for about 3 minutes total. Try not to overcook them. Take them off of the grill onto a service platter, and then a little bit of that marinade dressing on top. Now we return to the work surface. The shrimp and the corn are done. First thing we're gonna do is take our corn. I'm gonna take a knife and draw it down over a bundt pan. If you're wondering why I'm doing that, click up here to check out our easy kitchen hack on how to take corn off the cob. I've also prepped a couple of additional ingredients. I have 4 scallion turned on the side, nice little angle chop all the way down for 4 scallions. I have about a 1/4 cup of cilantro, finely chopped. 2 very ripened mango, trimming off the skin, chopping the mango into little bite-sized pieces. This is gonna be an explosion of flavor when you go to enjoy the salad. I also have about 2 cups of heirloom tomatoes, different colors, mini in size. Cut them in half, place them to the side. I have 4 cups of peas. I blanched them as soon as it came to a boil, strained, and then into a cold ice bath to stop them from cooking. You don't really need to do much more prep than that. We then take a big bowl and we're ready to assemble. Into the bowl then, we're placing our corn. Next comes our tomatoes. Add in your peas, followed by the mango. Here come the scallions. New ingredient, how about some pea greens, about 4 cups. Add your cooked shrimp. Add the cilantro. Now we stir up the dressing, pour it over top. 2 salad servers, and we're tossing gently. Go all the way to the bottom, bring up that corn, mix together this beautiful salad. Last little detail, how about some sesame seeds before we're ready to serve? This salad will serve 4 guests. Onto plates then. Go slowly. You want a little bit, a couple of different colored tomatoes. Oh, I want some of the greens, yeah, good. How many shrimp are on there? Oh, I've got a couple here. Wait a minute, Mom, Bob got 3. I only got 2 shrimp. Make sure you evenly dole out the shrimp onto the plate. How beautiful is this? We're gonna take a little bit more of our dressing, spoon it on top of the salad. We're going to do a sprinkle of sesame seeds. Finally, a little tiny bit of kosher salt on each plate. This is a wonderful, easy to prepare lunch or dinner. Don't need to serve it with anything else, but if you are thinking about making a dinner party, head to weekendатthecottage.com, check out our full story, because I have a couple of things I'm attaching to the story you may wish to serve with this. After that, why not just head to Weekend at the Cottage and check us out, subscribe to our website. Look for us on our dedicated YouTube channel, subscribe to it as well. Leave us comments, thumbs up, and click that bell button for notifications. And then finally, we're all about being social, so check us out on one or more of your favorite social media platforms using hashtag Weekend at the Cottage on Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. The only thing left to do is to tell you how this fabulous salad tastes. We've got a little bit of veggies. That's pretty good. How about a shrimpy shrimp? That's really good. Grilled shrimp salad. Super easy. Hope you make it, and then come on back and visit Weekend at the Cottage again soon. Take care. Enjoy.